Hello, and welcome to Sheet Leveler. My name's Hannah. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to make all cells in your Excel spreadsheet the same size. We'll also show you two ways to customize the size: by dragging manually and by entering precise measurements. This is super helpful for creating clean and professional-looking spreadsheets. Don't worry, it's quick and easy to do. Let's dive right in. The first thing we need to do is select the entire spreadsheet. Look at the top left corner of the sheet, where there's a small square between the row numbers and column letters. Click on this square to highlight the entire spreadsheet. This ensures that any size changes you make will apply to all rows and columns. Now that the entire spreadsheet is selected, we'll start with the column width. Move your cursor to the column headers, the letters at the top of the spreadsheet. Hover your cursor over a line that separates two columns. You'll see your cursor change into a double arrow icon. Click and hold the left mouse button, then drag the line left or right to adjust the column width. Once you release the mouse button, the new width will automatically apply to all columns in the sheet. If you want your columns to have a precise width, here's how to do it. With the entire sheet still selected, right-click on one of the column headers. From the menu, select Column Width. A small window will appear. Here, you can type in the exact width you'd like. For example, let's set it to 11. Press OK, and just like that, all columns are resized to the exact width you entered. This method is especially useful if you're working on a specific layout or need uniformity across multiple sheets. Now let's move on to row height. Look at the row headers, the numbers along the left side of the sheet. Hover your cursor over a line that separates two rows. Just like with the columns, your cursor will turn into a double arrow icon. Click and hold the left mouse button, then drag the line up or down to adjust the row height. When you release the button, all rows in the spreadsheet will be updated to the same height. To set a specific height for all rows, follow these steps. Right-click on one of the row headers on the left side of the sheet. Choose Row Height from the menu. A window will pop up where you can type in the exact height you want. Let's set it to 13 for this example. Press OK, and all rows will be adjusted to the precise height you entered. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily make all the cells in your spreadsheet the same size, both in terms of column width and row height. Whether you're organizing data or creating a polished report, this is a great way to keep your spreadsheets looking neat and professional. Thanks for tuning in to this tutorial. If you found it helpful, be sure to check out our other videos here at Sheet Leveler. We've got plenty of tips and tricks to make using Excel simple and stress-free. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you'll always stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.